The Coleman 100-quart rolling cooler is designed to keep your beverages and food chilled for up to 5 days, even in 90-degree Fahrenheit temperatures, thanks to its fully insulated lid and body. Its heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and durable tow and swing-up handles make it exceptionally easy to transport across various terrains, whether you're heading to a beach or a campsite. The cooler's lid is not only equipped with cup holders to prevent spills, but also doubles as an extra seat, supporting up to 250 pounds for added convenience during gatherings. With a remarkable capacity to hold up to 160 cans, this cooler ensures you have ample space for drinks and refreshments for a large group. The leak-proof channel drain plug and stain-resistant liner facilitate quick and easy cleanup, ensuring the cooler stays in top condition after each use. Designed for practicality, the cooler features a recessed lip for easier access to contents, making it a versatile and user-friendly option for outdoor enthusiasts.